Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to add accessibility functions to our shortcut button in our bottom right corner. So we have accessibility button right here. We have a few options right here as well, but we want to add more. So we need to edit shortcuts, and from here we have a few options to add. So let's use, for example, color inversion, live transcribe, back out, and let's see, we have the options right here. Of course, we can delete it as well if we need to. No need to save. And now we are back at our shortcut as it was. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.